Whether you are using iPhone or you are using iPhone, provided that you have a WhatsApp account on your phone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see important WhatsApp security you need to turn on right now to secure and protect your WhatsApp from being hacked. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. Have you opened up your WhatsApp app? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on privacy. Then under the privacy, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. And then go ahead and click on advanced. So here we go. Here, strict account setting. To help protect your account if you are at high risk of targeted cyber attack. Certain settings will be locked. Most people do not need this level of protection. This will reduce the quality of your messaging experience and call. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. This is a setting of extreme protection and should only be used if you believe you are at risk of cyber attack. Media attachment will block from unknown sender. Privacy settings will be updated to limit who can call or add you to group. When turn on certain settings will be locked, you can turn off strict account settings at any point in time. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on next right here. And here you go. The following settings will be updated and locked. Calls and message, media and attach, group, silent or no callers, block or no account messages, disable link preview, account security, two-step verification, privacy, and protect IP address in calls. Just go ahead and click on turn on right here. Turn on strict account settings. This setting will remain locked until you turn off strict account settings. Go ahead and click on turn off. So go ahead and click on turn on. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about, and you are done. It's that simple. Then you can easily go back, and this does not stop you from using your WhatsApp account. All your contacts, your chat remain the same, but your account will become more secure and protected. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.